You have to enable screen sharing. Ranjit, you have to enable screen sharing. Okay, so I was talking about combustion reactions. Combustion reactions are, I don't think you guys heard it because something went wrong. Now I hope you are able to see the screen. Okay, if you're not able to see the screen, please tell me. Combustion reaction. Combustion is nothing but when one element combines with oxygen, when one compound combines with oxygen. So C6H12O6 reacts with oxygen to form CO2 plus 6H2O. This is a balanced chemical equation. All combustion reactions are
Sir, screen
exothermic.
is shared, sir. Sir, screen is not shared.
Okay,
Hello, sir.
it is shared. Okay. Yeah, I'm working on it. All combustion reactions are exothermic in nature. Okay, so this is an example of a combustion reaction. This is a balanced chemical equation. What do you mean by a balanced chemical equation? The number of elements of any type. So here we look at carbon. There are 6 carbons. So on this side also there should be 6 carbons. Then there are 12 hydrogens. Here also there are 12 hydrogens. There is 6 into 2, 12 plus 6, 18 oxygens. So 6 into 2, 12 plus 6, 18 oxygens. So this is called a balanced chemical equation. Is the screen visible now? Okay, so do you understand what is this combustion reaction? Combustion reaction is when something combines with oxygen, you get a combustion reaction. Yes, combustion reaction, is that clear? I will show all the slides, I will show from the first. But first, do you understand what is the meaning of combustion reaction? Reaction with oxygen is called combustion. Reaction with oxygen is called combustion. Example, Mg plus O2 forms MgO. So this is, apart from being a combustion, it is also a combination reaction. So Mg burns in oxygen to form 2MgO. So combination with oxygen. So metal is reacting with oxygen. Whenever any metal reacts with oxygen, we call it a combustion reaction. C plus O2 gives CO2. This is also a combustion reaction. Sulfur plus O2 gives you SO2. This is combustion reaction. Calcium plus O2 gives you CaO. This is also combustion reaction. I have equations 1, I have equations 2, I have equations 3, I have equations 4. Can you tell me which of these 4 reactions are result in the formation of electrovalent compounds? Which of these will result in formation of electrovalent compounds? I am asking you, which of these will result in formation of electrovalent compounds? Yes, which of these will give you electrovalent compounds? Yes, Sakshyam. None of these. Second and third. Second. Then I want some more responses. Rajit. Yes means what? So let's understand. So I am asking you, which of these will give you electrovalent compounds? Now oxygen is a non-metal, so this is a non-metal. So when a metal reacts with a non-metal, it will give electrovalent compound. So here you have magnesium, which is a metal. You also have calcium, which is a metal. Yeah. So metals react with non-metals to form they form electrovalent compounds. So example 1 and 4 will form electrovalent compounds, and examples 2 and 3 will form covalent compounds. Do we understand? Electrovalent compounds. Electrovalent compounds are formed when a metal reacts with a non-metal. Okay, magnesium is a metal, calcium is a metal. So metals will react with non-metals to form electrovalent compounds. Okay, non-metals react with non-metals to form covalent compounds. So option 2 and 3 are covalent. Option 1 and 4 are electrovalent. Okay, then another thing that we need to understand, that in all combustion reactions, heat is released. So they are called exothermic. Exothermic is a reaction in which heat is released. Reaction in which heat is released is called exothermic. Reaction in which heat is absorbed is called endothermic. Exothermic heat is released. Endothermic heat is absorbed. In all combustion reactions, heat is released. Okay, in all combustion reactions, heat is released. So they are termed exothermic. Okay. So what will happen? That is what I'm trying to say. A metal will not react with a metal. Good question that you asked at the end. Okay, there are only compounds can be formed when a metal reacts with non-metal or non-metal reacts with non-metal. A metal will never react with a metal. So we need to understand that. This is what I've been trying to explain from the beginning. Sodium. Sodium has 11 electrons in outermost shell. So it has 2 here, 8 here, 1 here. Calcium has 20 electrons in totally. So 2, 8, 8, 2. Magnesium has 12. So 2, 8, 2. Chlorine has 17. So 2, 8, 8, sorry, 2, 8, 7. Okay. Now sodium wants to give 1 electron. Calcium wants to give 2 electrons. Magnesium wants to give 2 electrons. Calcium wants to take, sorry, chlorine wants to take 1 electron. Okay. So tell me, calcium can react with whom? Calcium wants to give, sodium also wants to give. So who will give to whom? They can't give. So they won't react. Now calcium wants to give, chlorine wants to take. So whom will calcium react with? Calcium will react with chlorine. Now calcium wants to give 2, but chlorine wants to take only 1. So what will happen? Calcium will give to 2 chlorines. So you have NaCl2. Similarly, magnesium also wants to give. So it can't give to sodium because sodium won't take. It can't give to calcium because calcium won't take. So sodium, magnesium will only react with chlorine. So it will form MgCl2. Because again magnesium wants to give 2, but 1 chlorine can take only 1. Because 1 chlorine can take only 1 to form, so 2 chlorines are required to take both the electrons from magnesium. So our compound is MgCl2. Okay. So if you understand this, yeah. Yes, Amrita, I hope you are able to understand. Govind, Kabil, your net connection today was very poor, so I can't help it. Okay, so get the recording. Kabil, get the recording and then listen to it. Okay, so our time is up. We will go today and we will come back again next week. This week I will be giving you a test. There will be some worksheets also. So please make sure that you are working. Yeah, slides please. Okay, so slides please. First slide. Second slide. Third slide. Fourth slide. Fifth slide. Sixth slide. Seven. 8. 9. Eleven. 12. 13. 14. Okay, yeah, I will give you tomorrow itself. It will come, worksheet will come to you tomorrow, and then I will give test. Okay, yeah, okay, bye.